Hello everyone. In today's class we will discuss one of the question, that is numerical type question from RTO 2017 paper from first unit, that is power plant economics. The question is given like that: a power station has to meet the following demand. Four group are given: group A, group B, group C and group D, and load is also given for particular time duration like that. 200 kilowatt is given between 8 am and 6 pm. Group B, for group B 100 kilowatt is given between 6 am and 10 am. Like that 50 kilowatt is given 6 am and 10 am, and for group D 100 kilowatt load is given between 10 am and 6 pm, and then between 6 pm and 6 am. So we have to plot the daily load curve and determine diversity factor and load factor. Now from the given question, first we prepare the load cycle table uh, like that. This table is between time in hours and load for all the four groups, and total load on power station. So from this table it is clear that the total load on power station is 100 kilowatt for 0 to 6 hour, 150 kilowatt for 6 to 8 hours, and 350 kilowatt for 8 to 10 hour, and 300 kilowatt for 10 to 18 hour, and 100 kilowatt for 18 to 24 hour. Now from the previous table we plot the curve between load on the power station versus time. This curve, so that we get the daily load curve as shown in this figure. It is clear from the curve that maximum demand on the station is 350 kilowatt and occurs between time 8 to 10 am, 8 am to 10 am, that is for 2 hours. So from the curve we can see that the maximum demand is 350 kilowatt, and sum of individual maximum demand is given in question. For groups is equal to 200 plus 100 plus 50 plus 100, that is 450 kilowatt. Now first thing we have to calculate is diversity factor. We know that the formula for diversity factor is equal to sum of individual maximum demands divided by maximum demand on station. So it is like 450 divided by 350 is equal to 1.286. Now the second, we have to calculate the load factor. So we know that the load factor formula is equal to average load divided by maximum demand. So first we have to calculate average load, and the average load formula is unit generated per day divided by the 24. So unit generated per day, we know that it is equal to area under this load curve, that is in kilowatt hour. So unit generated per day is equal to 100 into 6, that is 100 kilowatt load for 6 hours, then 150 into 2 and plus 350 into 2, that is maximum load, and again 300 into 8 and 100 into 6. So our unit generated per day is equal to 4600 kilowatt hour. Now average load equal to unit generated per day divided by 24, that is equal to 4600 divided by 24 is equal to 191.7 kilowatt. So our load factor is equal to 191.7 divided by 350 is equal to 0.548, or we can also say that 54.8%.